I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change the brightness of your PS5 power button. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click Settings. Step 2. Click System in the Settings menu. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Choose Beep and Light in the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the power indicator section on the right side of the screen and then click Brightness in this section. A menu pops up. Step 4. Move the selector over Dim, Medium, and Bright. As you move the selector over these options, you'll see the brightness of your PS5 power indicator change in real time. When you find a setting you like, click to select it. The brightness of the PlayStation 5 power indicator will be changed going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.